Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you.
Lotus' newest mid-engine sports car, the Emira, will enter production at the end of next year and initially be sold as a loaded first edition model. That version will cost $96,100 in the United States and a base model will arrive in 2023 with a starting price of $77,100. For reference, you can get a Chevy Corvette or Porsche 718 Boxster, Cayman S for less coin. The Emira First Edition is powered by a 400 HP supercharged 3.5-liter V6 with a standard 6-speed manual gearbox, though a 6-speed automatic is optional for $2,150. Lotus says the quickest version of the Emira will reach 62 miles per hour in less than 4.5 seconds and have a 180 mph top speed. A turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that makes 360 horsepower will also be available in the Emira, though it is only available with a dual-clutch automatic transmission. First edition customers can choose from either a tour suspension setup with Goodyear Eagle F1 Supersport tires or a sport setup that comes with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 rubber. Interior choices include red, black, gray, or tan leather along with an Alcantara option with either red, yellow, or gray stitching. Lotus says that the Emira First Edition will start production in the fall of next year, and there will be a 4-cylinder First Edition model that will join the lineup shortly after. The base model with its $77,100 starting price won't be available until 2023, and we'll have additional pricing details closer to its on-sale date.